Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can log in into the Genshin Impact account of yours. Now to begin with, first of all, open a browser on your PC. Then on the search bar, type in genshinimpact.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the account. Here you click on download option. Now here you click on login option on the top right corner. Now you provide the email address over here for the logins. In here, then type in the password for your account and click on login. You need to move the slider to the missing part and then leave it. With this, verification has been completed and you have been logged in into your account. You can see here. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.